completely free. No registration required. No login required. We all know mainstream AI tools like Midjourney, VEO 3, Halo, Clean all come with certain costs. Even other AI tools often limit the free generation count per account. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use this AI tool to create your content. Before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more information on AI tools like this. In this video, we will delve into a powerful, completely free, and severely underrated and hidden AI tool. Cool. It's completely free to use. And now, you don't even need to log in with an email. You only need to click the link in the description below. As you can see, some of the tools they offer: AI text to image, AI image to image, AI background remover, AI image to video. You can click to explore all tools. You'll find that they have a ton of tools, and all of them are free, completely free in this tutorial. We won't be able to go over all the features one by one, but I'll show you some excellent tools you can start using. And you can explore the rest on your own. Does buying English look a bit heavy? You can use the immersive translation we recommended before to let you communicate without barriers. The link will be in the description below. Let's browse and see what powerful and free AI tools are available. Let's start with image generation. Because I also have a music channel and need to produce MV, we'll use it for a real test. And for those interested in the final product, you can watch on that channel. The link will be in the description below. Click the text to image feature. Then choose to generate an image from text and enter the prompt. You can select the quick model or the quality model, completely free, depending on which one you prioritize. It's fast to generate. It might be a lesser known website. For those who want to crack a crab, you should hurry. The image results look incredibly realistic, especially for a free tool. It's stunning and even outshines some paid tools. Let's switch to the AI image to video generator. Click on the feature at the top. Click Upload. Upload the image you want to convert to a video. As we can see, the image and video prompts will automatically appear. We can change it or leave it as is. We can see the video formats are MP4 and web. 5 seconds of video length. The video frame rate in 768p video size. Click to generate. If you haven't clicked the like button and subscribed to our channel yet, please take a moment to do so. It really helps small creators like me grow. And it motivates me to bring more valuable tutorials like this. In the image tools, there's a specific tool, very cool and very useful. You can hardly get this for free anywhere else. Then there's the AI avatar generator. You can easily create digital avatars. This is very helpful for the portability of AI influencers. Upload a photo, and choose the style you want on the right. In backgrounds, expressions, clothes, and more details. Fill in your own prompt. Then generate. We can see it's already finished. It looks amazing. Very well done. Next, let's take a look at the image-to-image feature. The tool I will use in this section is the portrait generator. Click to create a portrait. You can upload or drag the image you want to use onto the site. In the right panel, we have different styles to choose from. For example, Disney style, Pixar style, fantasy anime, cyberpunk, cartoon poster, etc. Choose the style you want to use. VR is completely free, unlimited, with no registration required. It's easy to operate. Even beginners can dive right in if you're looking for a powerful tool without spending money. It's absolutely worth a try if you think this free AI tool is awesome too. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss the next video.